Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I want to introduce you to a new master plan community right here in the greater Charlotte area. Now pricing in this community starts off in the low to mid 200s and it's only 20 minutes away from Charlotte. Stick around. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in any one of those things, and consider hitting that bell notification so you can be notified or alerted when we drop new videos. Now, Nolen Farms is the community I want to talk to you about today. Nolen Farms is a master plan community that was designed to be affordable without shortchanging its residents of any amenities. There will be a clubhouse, a pool, a splash pad for the young kids, paved trails for biking and walking, as well as a sports court. This community is really trying to rival communities such as Millbridge and Waxhaw and the Palisades in South Charlotte, but at a much more affordable price. The two builders in this community are Meritage Homes and D.R. Horton. Again, pricing in this community starts off in the low to mid 200s, but after every 5 or so sales, each builder will be increasing their prices. So it's best to jump in now and lock in a price, because the key to buying in any community, not just this one, and to get the best pricing available is to buy early during phase one. So be sure to be one of the first ones to buy in this Nolen Farms community. They just started selling homes, so reach out to me or my team if you're interested in new construction, or in particular, this community right here. Nolen Farms is minutes away from highly rated schools and Lake Wiley. So if boating or outdoor water activities interest you, this is an ideal community because it is so close to Lake Wiley. And if you jump onto Highway 45, Nolen Farms is within 30 to 35 minutes of everything from Ballantyne to Uptown to Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Come on with me, let's go check out the Gibson Model Home by Meritage Homes.